Good morning. African grey parrots. They are an endangered species in the wild and have been captured by poachers, if you want to call them that, for the pet industry because they are quite expensive birds and people make a lot of money off of them. So in the wild they're being endangered, in fact not just through people catching them to sell them in pet shops, but also their natural environment being destroyed through agriculture. So we are not just destroying animals for poaching them, but we're also destroying them and killing them for taking their environments. Here at Earth Haven we have 5 African grey parrots. There's 2 more back here. I'll show you. These guys. And they have an aviary that is in need of more toys and some greens. We at some point had over 20 plants in here which got devoured in the first 2 months. So we're now just putting in dry sticks so they can chew, making them toys, and yeah, they can fly. We don't cut their wings because they have enough space. And I would like to see if we can rehabilitate about 5 more African grey parrots to support them, not for selling. First, let's help those in need. Abused African grey parrots. A lot of African grey parrots are abused. People don't know how to take care of them. They are high maintenance, and also they live up to 65 years. So it's an animal for life. If you decide to ever go into getting one of these birds as a pet, which I would suggest not to do, to stop the industry, stop buying African grey parrots, stop the trade, and rather look at how can we, through Earth Haven in the future, purchase land where it's their natural habitats and protect them and give back to them land. Thank you.